Hi, welcome to Leverage Business Apps. Today we're going to be working with the back button and just a quick tutorial on how to do it. So you'll notice here we have a gallery of our computer inventory. When we go into an item, we can see all the details and we can submit updates, but when we hit cancel, nothing's happening. So if we go into edit mode and click the cancel button, all we really want the user expectation is when you hit cancel, you leave this screen and go back to where you were. So you could definitely do a navigate function and force where it goes, but the better thing to do for a cancel is back. So if you do back, open brackets, close brackets, all it is going to do is send them back to the previous page regardless of where it is in the app. So if we go back and try this out, go into this item, okay, we don't want to do anything else with it, hit cancel, and we're back where we started. Thanks for watching the quick tutorial, and there's more at leveragebusinessapps.com.